Okay, what does a candlestick mean? What does a candlestick mean? Basically, the stock prices, the prices of a stock into the stock market are plotted on a chart. Okay, now is it possible every day for me to write everything? Ki the stock opened at 100 rupees, the stock went at 102 rupees, the stock made a low of 199 rupees, and then it closed at 101 rupee. So do you think if I write everything like this, is it possible for me to track this on a single screen? And do you think it is practically possible for this to look at this kind of data and understand it of the past? For example, if I want to analyze data, can you do it for the past 10 years by reading these numbers? So to overcome this price representation, a Japanese form of price representation was introduced by the Japanese, and that is known as a candlestick chart, where the price is plotted on a single chart, where it is on an x and y axis, where this is the price and this is the time or date, whatever that we are thinking, that the thing we are using. Generally, we will look at the colors of stock market, or the colors of that are used into the charts. Basically, a green color is known as the price has increased. A red color is known as price has decreased. So a green color is generally known as bullish or bull candle or bullish candle. A red color candle is known as bearish candle. Okay, these are the two color schemes, that standard color schemes that is used overall into the stock market. A green candle is known as a bullish candle, or the price has increased, or a red candle is known as a bearish candle, and hence that means the price has decreased. These are the two color schemes of a stock. Now, how to identify the price representation using a color candle? Basically, if the stock price, for example, opened at 100 rupees, the day opened at 100 rupees, in the single day it made a high of 102 rupees, for example, and the lowest price of that day was at 98 rupees, and it closed at 99 rupees. Okay, these are the four prices that are the most important price of a stock in a single day or in a single time frame. The high price, the low price, the open price, and the close price. Open, high, low, close. This is known as OHLC. Open price, high price, low price, close price. Open price is the price that it has opened today. High price is the highest price, of the stock of that single day. The lowest price of that stock into the single day, and the close price of the stock of that particular day. Okay, this is known as OHLC. Now, if you see a candle like this means this is the opening price. This means this is the opening price, and this means this is the closing price. Okay, has everyone understood this? Why it is opening price is here and the closing price is here? Means what? The price had opened at 100 rupees, but it closed at 102 rupees. So what was the trend of the day? The price opened at 100 rupees and closed at 102 rupees. What was the trend of the day?
Bullish trend.
This means that the price had opened here and the price opened at lowest point of the day. I mean the price closed at lower point of the day. Simple, and that is why open is greater than close. So closing has happened below the opening price. मतलब क्या, प्राइस गिरा है ऊपर से नीचे. So that why open and close. अगर प्राइस नीचे से ऊपर जाता है तो open, close. Wherever the arrow is, the close is that point. Understood this?
Yes.
The basic candlestick का मतलब क्या है? Now into a single candlestick, ये कोई भी candlestick है, for example, now the highest point of the day or the highest price of a particular day will be represented by अ स्टिक ऑन दैट रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स, इसको हम बोल देंगे एक, इसको बोलते हैं हम कैंडल।
बॉडी।
ओके, अभी के बोलो रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स। हाईएस्ट प्राइस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक ऑन दैट डे इज नोन एज, is represented by this line, single line. Okay, so the top of this line is known as the highest price of the day. The bottom of this line is known as the lowest price of the day. Okay, the top of a line is known as the highest price of the day. The bottom of this line is known as the lowest price of the day. Now, if I want to understand this chart, this candlestick, what does this candlestick mean? That is what, this is the opening price of this stock. Simple, understood this? ये आपको समझना है बस। अभी हम चार्ट में देखेंगे कैसा दिखेगा, बस ये बेसिक हम अभी ड्राइंग में समझ रहे हैं, so that you understand it better on the chart when we'll open that. Okay, this is the opening price, this is the high price. Now it does not have any kind of stick. This, the stick on the top is known as wick. Okay, ये है wick, ये है tail. Okay, and this is the body. Understood? These are the three things of a candlestick: a body, a wick, a tail. टेल मतलब पूछ, विक मतलब, देखो विक का मतलब क्या है, बेसिकली हम जब कैंडल जलाते हैं तो कैंडल के टॉप पे ये एक विक रहती है, बत्ती, इस बत्ती को हम जलाते हैं, विक का मतलब वही है बत्ती। इसके नीचे है टेल, it represents the lower price of the day, it represents the higher prices of the day, and it represents the opening and closing price of the day, and this is the range, difference between opening and closing, right? Now अभी हम कुछ कैंडलस्टिक देखते हैं। आई बेसिक आपको समझ में आया क्या वो देखने के लिए, ये है हमारा एक कैंडल लाइक दिस। सो व्हाट डज, ये है हाई है, ये है लो, और क्लोज की बॉडी है क्या कुछ नीचे है ऊपर? नहीं, तो क्लोज भी यही है,
ओपन और क्लोज एक साथ हुआ,
ओपन और क्लोज एक साथ हुआ, और हाई और लो पॉइंट्स है समझो, फॉर एग्जांपल इन दैट चार्ट। सिंपल, ये आपको समझ में आना चाहिए। नाउ ये एक ऐसा चार्ट बनता है फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक दिस। तो आपको बेसिकली सबसे पहले एज अ बिगिनर आप ऐसा समझने के लिए आप ऐसा लिख लो, OHLC लिखना चाहिए। ग्रीन कैंडल है मतलब क्या, ओपन नीचे हुआ, क्लोज ऊपर हुआ, हाई पॉइंट ये था, लो पॉइंट है कि नीचे नहीं है, तो मतलब क्या है, ओपन इज इक्वल टू लो,
लो
एंड क्लोज एंड हाई आर नॉर्मल, ये बाकी क्लोज है और हाई। सिंपल, देखो रट्टा मारने की कुछ जरूरत नहीं है, आपको बस ये तीन चीजें लिखनी, चार चीजें लिखनी की, ओपन, हाई, लो, क्लोज। दीज आर द फोर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्राइस ऑफ अ स्टॉक ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम। फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई हैव अ कैंडलस्टिक लाइक दिस, फाइनल कैंडलस्टिक पे हम चर्चा करेंगे, फिर हम चार्ट देखेंगे। व्हाट डज दिस कैंडलस्टिक मीन?
Open and
लो इज सेम,
Open is equal to low,
and close and high
close equal to high.
open is equal to low.
Open equal
And close is equal to higher. Huh?
Simple. Understood this?
Yes.
Does it have any wicks?
no,
No.
No.
Does it have any tails?
no.
No.
No. There is only one single body.
Mm.
ये आपको समझ में आ गया। इसके अलावा अभी आपको कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है समझने की। This is the basic use of candlestick. What website that we are going to use is tradingview.com. It is free website. Okay, everything is free. हम कोई भी पेड वर्जन यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो आपको टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। tradingview.com. Okay, enter here tradingview.com. ये आपको ऐसा कुछ दिख के आएगा। नाउ गो टू चार्ट। ये एक बेसिक चार्ट है जो दिखता है आपको। अभी हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था, नीचे क्या रहता है एक चार्ट में। ओके, इसके हम ट्रेडिंग व्यू को कैसा एग्जैक्टली यूज करना है उसके ऊपर हम आगे देखेंगे। अभी हमारा मेन मकसद है कैंडलस्टिक को समझना पहले तो। अंडरस्टैंड? ये हमारा एक बेसिक ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्लेटफॉर्म है। दिस इज फ्री, यू हैव टू लॉग इन विथ योर ओन पर्सनल जीमेल आईडी एंड पासवर्ड। यू कैन डू इट नॉर्मली, जैसे ही आप कोई भी जगह पे लॉग इन करते हैं वैसे ही आपको लॉग इन करना है। ये आपको एक ऐसा आपको यूजर इंटरफेस दिखेगा। यू कैन सी एन यूजर इंटरफेस लाइक दिस। द फर्स्ट, राइट नाउ what we have to use is first thing. आपको इधर लेफ्ट साइड में रिलायंस करके नाम दिख रहा है. यू कैन सी एवरीवन द नेम ऑफ रिलायंस. दिस इज अ प्लेस वेयर यू कैन फाइंड स्टॉक्स. Place where you can find the stock name and you have to type the stock name. In this case, अगर हमें कोई चार्ट देखना है, जैसे कोई कंपनी, can anyone tell me any name of a company? For example, okay, Rain Industries, for example. अभी हमने क्या देखा था पहले टाइम पहले कि what are the basic uses of candlestick, how to identify candlestick. On this day, 19th of October, मैं अभी इसका यूज करूंगा. On 19th of October, this is the 19th of October line. What has happened on that day? At this price, see, on the left side, you can see on the right side, you can see the price. Okay. This is the price line. This is where you can see open, high, low, close line. And percentage and price difference. This इधर. तो जहां पे मेरा कर्सर होगा, उस कर्सर का open, high, low, close दिखेगा. I can see open, high, low, close of that particular candle. On this day, what is the open, high, low, close?
And close is 243.
Yeah. So open is 253, close is 243. Now the price has fallen how much? 3.53%.
Yeah.
And 3.53%, does that mean 3 rupees?
No.
No. That means the price has fallen 3.5% from the opening price, and opening price of stock for each stock is different unless and until it is trading at the same price. So 3% in this case is 8%, 9 rupees. Why? Because the price of the stock is at 253 rupees. So compared to 253 rupees, the price has fallen 3.5%, and that is 9 rupees. Open is equal to 223, close equal to 223, high is 226, low is 220. What is the type of candlestick that you can imagine from this? क्या आपको कौन सा साइन दिखेगा इसमें? दिखा इधर प्लस साइन, हमने ये ड्रॉ कर लिया. अभी इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है चार्ट में. कैन यू सी दिस प्लस साइन हियर? दिस, एक सेकंड ना, ये प्लस साइन दिख रहा है आपको एवरीवन? ये देखिए, उसका हाई लो क्लोज देखिए. Have we drawn the same almost? I mean, वो length, ignore the length right now कि length क्या है, but understand the basic candlestick. Open and close are two same. You will see similar this kind of candlestick.